The car goes on sale this spring, and GM expects to make 2,000 to 3,000 of them at the plant in Bowling Green, Kentucky, but production will not be limited. Pricing has not been announced but could easily exceed $130,000. The 2009 ZR1 started at $105,000, a carbon fiber package alone added $15,000. The 2018 base Stingray coupe starts at $56,490 and the Z06 starts at $80,490. Juechter said the ZR1 won't be double the price of the Stingray.